What? You be mumu. They say they wise. Mumu man. Jesus is Lord. Forget.
Ujungwa, who is responsible for this bush fowl pregnant?
She what?
Ima okwa. Ujungwa koya to aragime.
Stop talking about this thing on you, Mama. Izu.
Ujungwa, tell me who is responsible, or I will kill you and bury you here.
Izu. Stop talking about this thing on you, Izu. Mama. Who? They must swear.
Ujungwa. So you mean it is Maxwell that is responsible for this bush fowl pregnant? Imokwa. Maxwell to him.
Ujungwa. Mama. They must swear. Yes, Mama. That old man. A man of 90 years, Ujungwa. Hey.
We do keep quiet.
Mama, please. Ujungwa. Mama. They must swear got to pregnant. Mama, how?
It's not my fault. Mama, it's not my fault, oh.
It's my own fault.
No, Mama, nah. Mama, it's him. He said that he has not done it since 20 years ago. So, and I decided to give him small.
So Maxwell told you that he has never done it for the past 20 years?
Yes, Mama.
And you decided to give him small. What?
Get us to make here with
If you see the way this man was begging me, Mama. If you see the way he was begging me. Hey, Mama. If you see you agree on
your mother, I know too well that if it was your mother, that your mother.
God.
Okay, Ujungwa. You allowed them to swear to learn your body, Ujungwa. You cannot push him away around the way, Ujungwa.
Mama, if you see the way this man was doing it, Mama. If you see, you will not get up from that bed, Mama. Mama. If Otorom, oh shit, Mama.
Why am I yelling where? Ujungwa is not talking bullshit.